Alright guys, so today we are going to make this basket right here. So let's get started. So we're going to do number 2, and we're going to do the basket. It is on page 16 of the book. So I'm going to be using a 6 by 6 inch square. So here is my 6 by 6 inch square. I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. These first two projects, when I was doing it with my kids, I did not have any trouble with, but the third and fourth and fifth projects I did have a little bit of trouble with, and I'll show you why. So we're going to fold this just like in figure 1 when we did the box and the lid. And then we are also going to label this as before. Much better. So I have put this into 16 squares, and now we are going to cut off M, N, O, and P. Remove. And now to make the baskets, we're going to cut as before between A and E, D and H, and on this side between E and I, and H and L. And now on this, you're going to cut it into a handle. So just cut off a slice of it. Then I'm going to paste A and I over E with glue or tape. I actually do like glue a lot better for this project, and I tried to find some, and apparently my daughter poured out all the glue, making like beads. She put like beads in a plastic lid and like poured glue on it to make the beads look clear, like suspended. So I really need to buy glue, and I probably should text my husband because he took the kids to the store, which is how I'm able to make videos right now. Alright, and then it says to paste the handle inside. Alright. I thought this would make a cute little basket with 2 little Easter eggs in it. But here you have the basket. And you can paint it, color it, put a little bit of Easter grass and the Easter egg in there, put some candies in it. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Bye.